Hello everyone, this is Tatiana, official translator from Global Law. Today we bring you an important update from Sweden regarding new citizenship rules that could impact thousands of migrants. Sweden's government has announced plans to introduce stricter requirements for gaining citizenship. These new rules were presented by Migration Minister Johan Forssell at a press conference in Stockholm. The government says the changes will officially come into effect on June 6, 2026. So, what exactly is changing? Let's break it down. First, the residency requirement will increase. Applicants will now need to live in Sweden for at least 8 years before applying for citizenship. Previously, this requirement was only 5 years. Second, there is a new financial requirement. Applicants must show a stable monthly income of at least 20,000 Swedish kronor. According to officials, this is considered a modest income level, and most full-time workers are expected to meet this condition. Third, applicants will need to pass a basic language and culture test. This test will check simple knowledge about Swedish society, including understanding whether Sweden is a monarchy or a republic, along with basic social and legal rules. Another major change affects individuals with criminal records. People who have committed serious crimes, whether in Sweden or abroad, will need to live in Sweden for a much longer period before they can apply. For example, someone who served 4 years in prison may need to wait up to 15 years. The Swedish government says these stricter rules are necessary because the current system has very limited requirements. According to Migration Minister Johan Forssell, the goal is to ensure stronger integration and a better understanding of Swedish society among new citizens. It is important to note that Sweden has been gradually tightening its migration policies since 2016. That year, the country received around 160,000 asylum seekers, which led to major political and social changes in immigration policy. Interestingly, these new rules come at a time when other European countries, like Germany, are moving in the opposite direction by reducing residency requirements for citizenship. The Swedish government is expected to implement these changes just a few months before the national elections scheduled for September 2026, making immigration a key political issue. Support for stricter migration policies has also been growing, with political parties raising concerns about integration and crime. In conclusion, these new measures aim to make citizenship requirements stricter, focusing on long-term residency, financial stability, and cultural integration. That's all for today's update. Follow global visa and legal alerts for more important news and updates on immigration and legal changes around the world.